Got a fast method for you today to find some problems when you have a section or area where you've lost lighting or lost power to outlets and it's not the breaker or
This is a
GFCI.
fast
way. Now it's a bit better to use the back end of a screwdriver, an insulated screwdriver, a little bit safer. Actually a whole lot
Welcome
safer.
back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right of the subscribe button,
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
This method doesn't always find the problem for you, but when it does, it's just as easy to verify the repair. This one, one of the quick connects was loose, and so I was able to take it and side wire it instead. Nice easy locate and nice easy repair. Sometimes to find the problem, all you got to do is tap for it. So if you had some outlets or some lights that lost power suddenly and it wasn't the breaker, you check the breaker. This might be a way where you just go around and tap the outlets in the vicinity to see if you get any kind of response. Just a quick troubleshooting search method. Again, this won't work for every situation, but sometimes it will reveal where the problem is and what the solution needs to be very quickly. Yeah, for safety, it's probably a little bit better to use like the back end of a screwdriver. Give a light little tap rather than just using your fingers. A little safer, you never know. Something to arc out, you know. Better to practice safety. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
There's a coming day